Hi everyone, good evening all. So till now we have been reviewed number of electrical gadgets which are useful to the public. The next gadget what we are going to review today is an UPS router. The purpose of this UPS router we'll discuss step by step. Let's try to see the unboxing of this. This is made by Amazon Basics. The purpose of this router is to give an backup for an router. So let us try to see what is this product. So you can see here, this is from the brand Amazon. If you want to purchase from the Amazon, you can purchase. Okay, so you can see here the name of the commodity is, this is for 12 volts router of 2 ampere capacity. So this can be used for an routers and intercom, like if you want to make phone calls for that intercom as a backup, you can use this device. For CCTV also you can use this device. And for setup boxes means we have our televisions with connected with the Tata Sky as well as connected with the Sun Next. So when you give the power to them, so whenever the power goes for 1 minute to the setup box to start, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes, so the serial may get interrupted. So to overcome all those problems, we can use this for setup boxes also. And for CCTV, whenever the power get interrupted, the CCTV may not record. If you want to install an UPS which cost around 20,000, this is one of the simple product where we can give an backup to your setup box, backup to an CCTV, and especially for your routers. Okay, now let's try to unbox it and let's try to see the features and the design of this product. So this is the device provided by the manufacturer. So and some few cables or connecting cables are provided to us. So when you see here, so this is what the design is. Okay, let's try to see the specifications of this product. So this is from Amazon Basics. So the input voltage we can give is 12 volts into 2.5 ampere. We can connect up to 30 watts adapter. The output which will be useful for an 12 volts and 2 amperes range, which is nothing but 24 watts of total power it can supply. So the capacity of this battery is 3.7 volts, and coming to the rating of the battery is 2000 milliampere hour, which is nothing but so when you do the calculation, so this can give you the backup for 1 hour. Okay, so 2000 milliampere hour means it's nothing but 2 ah. It can supply 2 amperes of current for a time of 1 hour. So the maximum backup it can give is only for 1 hour. So why? Because means in your house in nowadays where you're living in the cities, maximum 1 hour will not get any interruption. So automatically after 1 hour the power get restored and the interruption is work on. You can see here. So this is nothing but the input port and this is nothing but the output port. Now the device is in off condition. As soon as you turn on the on, automatically a green light is indicated, which indicates that this Amazon Basics UPS router is in on condition. So this is a very good UPS. As per safety wise also, this is an ISI certified as per the Bureau of Indian Standards. So safety wise also we can be very happy, and this comes with an backup time of 1 hour and a warranty of 1 hour. So this can be useful for all your applications like CCTV and routers especially, and for setup box. So you may ask what is the need of setup box. So sometimes in your house when the power gets interrupted, so the in order to start the setup box only it will take more than 2 minutes. Such kind of problems we can overcome by using this product. Now let us try to see the installation process of this device. Okay, now let us try to see how I am going to installation. So let us try to see the product before installation. So here I have an Wi-Fi router. So this is connected to the power. So whenever it is connected to the power, this will function in the basing of power. So whenever the power is interrupted, not more than 1 hour. So if it is interrupted, you can see that the router will not work and internet may not be function. So now the importance of this router is, by using this small device we can reduce the internet cuts. Okay, so what is the way of installation is, this comes with an jog. First remove the input terminal, so directly you connect the input terminal. So here it is shown, you connect to the input terminal and an output is shown here. So to this output a cable is provided by the manufacturer, connect to the output, and this output you connect to this interconnected system in such a way that first the power will come into the system and get stored in the battery. The output goes in directly to the rotor. So for example, we can see here, so now initially our device is in off condition. As soon as you turn on here, you can see here it is saying that the device input is there and output is also connected. Now the device is happily running and supplying the internet. So now what happens is, as soon as you remove the power, so actually I'm keeping in off condition. If I remove the power, automatically the device is also turned off. So now I'm going to provide the backup to the router by turning on this UPS. So as soon as I turn on, you can see here the device starts working. So as soon as I give the supply, automatically input is there and output also is there and the device is functioning. Okay, so now if you remove the supply also, you can see here this is giving the output and the device is also is working happily, and which gives an uninterrupted internet, so for a maximum backup time of 1 hour. This is all about the innovative electrical product. This is an 100% electrical component where we call it as a UPS, uninterrupted power supply device. This is a small micro inverter which functions clearly. So hope the video is useful to you. So if you feel the content is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe the channel if you want to review or if you want to watch these kind of innovative products. And the warranty is 1 year. Happily for 1 year without any issue you can use it, and the maximum backup time it gives for 1 hour. Almost all the issues are addressed well. So this is how to use the device and how to install. If you want, I will show the progress also. You see here now there is no power, the switch is in off condition, still the rotor is working and the device is happily working. As soon as the power gets restored, okay, automatically you can see here there is no change of power fluctuation, the internet is happily working. So if you remove the power also, you see here now power is in on condition. If you remove the power also, the you can see here the rotor is not interrupted and happily it is working without any issue. This is all about the product Amazon Basics UPS router. Thank you for watching. Meet you in another video.